Now, one of the UP ministers has admitted to the notification that has come in and said that shopkeepers have been asked to display the name. And he's basically alleging, and this, remember, is a big statement that he's sending out. He said that there are some Muslim owners of the shops that put Hindu names when they're selling non-vegetarian food, for example, and which shouldn't be happening because many of these kawadiyas are on a strict either a vegetarian diet or are fasting at that point, and therefore there has to be a certain clarity on that. So this is what the UP minister has said. Let's listen into KP Agarwal.
जल लेकर के अपने गंतव्य की ओर जाता है और विशेष रूप से उसको मुजफ्फरनगर में आना पड़ता है और मुजफ्फरनगर के सब लोग पलक पावड़े बिछाकर स्वागत करते हैं। तो विशेष रूप से देखने में ये आया है कि कुछ लोग अपनी दुकानों के नाम, ढाबों के नाम, रेस्टोरेंट के नाम हिंदू धर्म के नाम पर लिखते हैं और जबकि चलाने वाले उनके मुस्लिम लोग होते हैं। मुझे यहाँ तक भी कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। दिक्कत यहाँ आती है कि जब वो अपनी दुकान में नॉनवेज बेचते हैं। बहुत सारे लोग, हमने देखा कई वीडियो जाहिर हुई हैं कि लोग थूक रहे हैं रोटी के ऊपर, रेस्टोरेंट में थूक भी रहे हैं, रोटी बना रहे हैं, तब ओवैसी जी को और अखिलेश यादव याद नहीं आती।
I want to bring in Samar Srivastav on the latest on that. Samar, that's a big statement he's claiming. He's claiming that some of these owners of the eateries lie that while they're selling non-vegetarian food, they put out Hindu names. What is the attempt here? I'm trying to understand that the government or the police would give out this notification to display names.
Well, exactly. The entire controversy, Pooja, started from here only. When UP Minister Kapil Dev Agarwal first gave this statement, and later he moved to the administration and the police in a way to initiate some action against this. And when the notification, the dates came that from this date Kamadya Yatra will begin, police announced that eateries have to announce their names first. And this all came because Kapil Dev Agarwal, as saying in a clear bite, he's saying that there are many eateries which in a way take their eateries name in the name of Hindus but sell non-veg instead, just like some Amba Dhaba, this kind of names being mentioned in the route of the Kamadya Yatra, but they sell non-veg. That's what Kapil Dev Agarwal, UP minister, is pointing out, and that's why he requested the administration and police to come up with some plan in a way to stop this, because Kamadya Yatra is one of the religious movements in the Hindu dharma, and that's what Kapil Dev Agarwal is saying, that this has been happening for long. He even used the term of mixing saliva. We have witnessed several cases. That's what UP minister is claiming right here. But the opposition is blaming the government over this particular move, with Akhilesh Yadav saying that High Court must take cognizance of this particular event, while Asaduddin Owaisi and other Congress leaders are saying this has been done just to initiate it or move that particular divide and rule politics of the Saffron party. But as per the police, another notification came that this order is voluntarily and nobody is pressed to, in a way, follow this particular thing. It is completely voluntarily, but also it is happening in Shamli as well. So the controversy has been erupted, where BJP at one end is saying that there were many controversies happened earlier in the Kamadya Yatra, where those eateries which came in the routes sold non-veg and also sold the veg material, and that hurted the sentiments of the Hindu dharma, Hindu religious people who were involved in the Kamadya Yatra. But the opposition, on the other hand, is clearly saying that this is the matter of divide and rule, and in the coming coming monsoon assembly session that's happening by the end of July, it's going to be worth seeing whether opposition will raise this particular issue or not. Back to you, Pooja.